Hi, it's Diana here again, and today I'll be sharing 5 practical tips for busy parents on how to make everyday moments count with your children. So if you love motherhood tips, family vlogs, and real-life inspiration, then this video is for you. This video serves as a reminder that quality time doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be intentional. So come spend the day with us and let's celebrate finding joy in the little moments together. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'd like to be a part of our community. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I hope you enjoy this video. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for your love, your support, and your understanding. Have a good day. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. I hope this showed you that even the smallest moments with family can be the sweetest. I would love to know, what's one little everyday memory with your family that's made you smile or that makes you smile? Share it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed hanging out with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more family moments, and join our little community. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And if you're new here, welcome. But please don't forget to subscribe.